Peace and love, African family. Peace, love, and sunlight. This is Ankeru from Jam Tours Africa. And today, family, we'll be heading over to the west side of Africa. We'll be heading over to Ghana for the holiday, family. So, if you want to come with us, we can show you how Jam Tours do it when we travel. So, we're heading out to the airport now, as you can see. Amesh is sleeping there, and he'll be in West Africa. He was actually Amesh, bye. We're leaving for Ghana. Ghana, Amesh. Ghana, Amesh, bye. Kwaheri, Kenya, Amesh. Goodbye, Kenya. Yes, family, so as you can see, we're actually going up to head to Ghana. Ghana, here we come. Baby Amesh is right here. Amesh, bye. Yeah, family, so as you can see, we already checked in. I'm just waiting to get something light to eat because the flight is like 2 hours away. And Amesh is happy. You're gonna take your first flight today, boy. Bye. Yes, baby. Amesh gonna take his first flight today, baby. Yes, baby. Bye. Yes, baby. Yes, baby. Yes, baby. Yes, baby. It's all smile. All smile. Yeah, families, as you can see, we're waiting. Amesh has his breast milk.
Tell them it's from where, please?
It's from the breast.
From the breast.
Natural. For the first time, yes. Sometimes we're waiting, so let's travel with us to Ghana. Oh yeah, it's very cold. Let me cover my head. See, flying with Kenya Airways, and we're about to take off, heading Accra, heading to bigger Jamaica. That's where the fun is for the Christmas. It's always in a country that is related to Jamaica. So we're heading there to enjoy Christmas season. So we'll be sharing all of that with you. Let you know that Jam Tours Africa is the place to book. If you're looking to come into Ghana, Jam Tours Africa, hit us up on our Instagram. We can actually pick you up at the airport and take you around Ghana. All the place that you want to visit in Ghana, we can take you there. So hit us up, family. Hit us up. So we just touched down in Ghana. How was the experience? It was nice.
Really nice.
How you feel?
It was fine. I feel like I feel at home. This is second home.
Yes. And I want to tell you guys, when you come to Ghana, because the people are so friendly and the customer service, it's so different from Kenya. You know what I mean? In Kenya, you're getting some arrogant question from your immigration coming into the plane. You know, Kenya Airways was like the worst.
And I'm telling you.
And as you touch down in Ghana, you know, people welcome you. They might pull the gate for you. They see you with the kid. They give you first preference at the immigration line. No question asked. I'm telling you. Ghana is the place to be.
And the immigration in Ghana is check. Everything is just nice. Like
Yeah.
best treatment here. And like in Kenya, my own country.
Yeah. They want to ask you where you're going. You must have a ticket to go back. All kind of madness. So we just touched down in Ghana.
Yeah.
This is what the airport looked like. As you can see, collecting the bags. It's Kenya, Nairobi.